Paying for ads on Twitter or X involves using Twitter Ads Manager to create and manage your advertising campaigns. Here's how to do it. Create a Twitter Ads account. Log into your Twitter account and navigate to the Twitter Ads page. Set up your ads account by providing necessary details such as your country and time zone. Choose your campaign objective. Click on Create Campaign and select your campaign objective. Options include driving website traffic, increasing brand awareness, gaining followers, promoting tweets, and more. Set up your campaign. Enter a campaign name, set your daily or total budget, and choose the campaign start and end dates. Define your audience. Specify your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, behaviors, and geographic locations. You can also use tailored audiences to reach specific user segments. Select ad placement. Choose where your ads will appear on Twitter, such as users' timelines, search results, or profiles. Create your ad. Design your ad by selecting the tweets you want to promote or creating new tweet content. Add compelling text, images, videos, or a website link to capture audience attention. Set your budget and bid. Define your budget and bid strategy. You can choose between automatic bidding or manual bidding to control how much you're willing to pay per engagement or impression. Review and launch. Review all the campaign details. Ensure everything is correct and click Launch Campaign to start your ads. Monitor and optimize. Use Twitter Ads Manager to track the performance of your ads. Analyze metrics such as impressions, engagements, and click-through rates to optimize your campaign for better results.